This is DC Danton Crow Crusader. This is the evening feeding on Sunday. Look at our little ducks out there. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And there were a pair of ducks out on the road, but looks like they made their way to the, and a mule gull. And a mule gull. And of course black-headed gulls and our little crows. Everybody's hungry. It's raining and 5 degrees Celsius. It's really, really quite miserable. Okay? Very miserable. Put that out on the field. We got a second bag there. Oh, this is heavy. Put a lot of grain in there because I anticipated the little mallard ducks to be here. They're usually here in the evening. We did have Luca this morning. I forgot to put his name in the I could almost swear that truck moved closer here, didn't it? He was further parked over there, and now he's parked closer to us. But we'll go on the other side of him, that's all. Wow, the ground is really saturated. Good weather for catching cold. But I guess it's good weather if you're a duck, and maybe not so bad if you're a bird. Kind of on the cold side, but there's our Seymour. There's our Seymour. We're gonna go over here where it's not so wet and soggy. We'll go down this way. Listen to our little Seymour. Okay. Put our little nuts out here. We have one mule gull here. Here's our little ducks right in front of us. Hopefully my lens is not completely, how should I say, covered with spots. There's a nice little view of our little ducks. Not too much cat food. They had most of that this morning. So we have a little bit here. Okay. I did put some balls out here too today in this load. Okay. Listen to Seymour. Oh my goodness, that little guy. There we go. All right. And we have nuts, of course. We put that out for the birds on the parking lot. I put one little package here for the crows. Okay. There we go. We'll walk around this way. There's a lot of grain there. And seeds, 2 packages of seeds, and a whole kilo of sunflower seeds, and a kilo of muesli, and a kilo of nuts, of peanuts, about 2 to 3 kilo of wheat, yeah, a little bit of bread. I think I had about 8 eggs out there. It's a pretty lot. Oh, and a few noodles cooked in chicken broth. So, wow, I'm really getting wet here, but that's okay. I really don't mind the rain. Let's put our nuts down there. He moved his car closer here, didn't he? He was further away.
Since we parked?
Yeah. No, this morning. He was 2 more spots over.
Down,
yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
So these nuts up here. All right. Let's see here. Get these out first. The walnuts. Our peanuts in the shell. We'll go on the other side of this vehicle. Hi, baby. Uh-oh. And there's our little girls trying to get those cashews. Okay. What else do we have? We got our little peanuts. See if I can get them open here. Tough when your hands are wet.
You want to pop it open with the thing? I could stab it with the pen.
Yeah. Go ahead. Or I could use my pen knife.
There's a hole in the top center.
Okay, good. Thank you. There we go. Packaging on these unsalted peanuts. Very good packaging. That almost looks like Luca there. See that one lone duck on the field? I think that's Luca. Go ahead, guys. There's some more ducks flying in. Or taking off, I'm not sure. Okay, I think we'll put a little bit of sunflower seeds out there. I don't see our sparrows anywhere. They didn't show up today for whatever reason. There you go. Put some peanuts here, didn't we? And got some sunflower seeds here. There we go. Okay, guys. I think that's it. Guys. I think we're slowly catching up to the amount of rain that we were deficient in. I think we're catching up to that very quickly. Okay, we got the seeds there. Alright. And there. What we got left here? A couple more. A couple more for my little guy here. There we go.